Hello everybody, AnChairGuy here. Today I would like to share this game idea I've had for a while now. If you read the title, you would think that idea started as a fast-paced Metroidvania, but it wasn't. At the start of the idea, it was going to be another fast-paced platformer, like Pizza Tower or Anton Blast. But then one day, I got Hollow Knight. I fell in love with all the features of Hollow Knight, with the charms, ability-based progression, and amazingly hard bosses. I knew that my game idea would be better as a Metroidvania, and be more unique. Well, first things first, I needed a main style for the whole game. I thought for hours about this. It came up with nothing. The other day I was having shower thoughts, and this is when my brilliant idea came. I wanted the game to be simple art-wise, because I'm only okay at art. In that shower thought, words came. What if this game had emoticons? That sounded so good that I drew up two brainstorm designs for the player. At first, the face was going to look normal, until I realized that idea has been done to death. To fix this, I simply rotated the face 90 degrees, looking better, more unique, more like an emojicon. Now I was ready to start making. I wanted to make a system to make state machines even easier to use. To do this, I started with a base state node, which had functions like entering a state or leaving it. Then I made different normal state nodes, like idle and walking, and it did what the name said. But the problem with this is that I wanted to use these states for every living character in my game, from the player to every enemy. So I made a player state that has everything the normal state equivalent had. For example, the player idle state has the idle function from the base idle state. Inside of these player states, I can add code to transition from state to state using a state machine node. When I make enemies, all I have to do is make the enemy states and put timers or something for transitions. Let me show you a real-time example of this system in place. You can see the player isn't moving at all. To fix this, we'll put a node of class player walks as a child of the state machine, to order to connect the state machine and player nodes to the state when an error appears. Now the player can move, but he will keep moving forever. Adding a player idle node to the state machine allows the player to stop moving. Do you see the idea? Because I do. Adding a player fall and jump state allows for falling and jumping. But we've all seen jumping in 2D platformer games before. So I had an ability that you would unlock at the start of the game, a ground pound. Unlike other games, the ground pound here would give you a little boost into the air and increase gravity, similar to the pile driver from Pizza Tower. This means if you jump too early and miss the next platform by a few tiles, you can ground pound to give you just a little more time to reach the platform. That's pretty much it for now. I made a test level to test out different variables for the player, like speed or jump height. The movement's okay for now. My plan is to have the next devlog to be a little more destructive. Inside the game, of course. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!